masomo, masomo are studies. So when you say masomoni, it means in studies. For example, if I say masomoni mwangu, in my studies. Okay? Hujambo na karibu. Karibu tena katika ufalme wa Kiswahili. Kama jamii tunasaidiana kukikuza na kukiimarisha Kiswahili chetu, kwa sababu tunaamini experts were once beginners. Nawe pia uko njiani kuongea Kiswahili kama mwenyeji. Kwa hiyo na kusihi tafadhali subscribe hapo chini, like, share na mwenzako hii video kabla hatujaendelea. Video yetu ya leo ni kuhusu locative suffix ni, inaitwa pia prepositional. Prepositional locative suffix ni. Sawa sawa. Suffix, the suffix that a suffix is something that is found at the end of, let me say, a word. For example, if we have the a word shuleni, ni is the suffix. Shule is the noun, which means school. I know now you know the meaning of shuleni. Shuleni, at the school or at school. Okay? And that's why we have another word like nyumbani, coming from nyumba, a house. Then when you add ni, it becomes at home. Okay? Or at the house. Okay? Nyumbani. Nyumbani. So that ni is the suffix that we are going to talk about. So let me tell you what is the steps that you are going to follow in this video. Okay? So we are going to know what is ni. What is ni? What is that? A prepositional location suffix. What is it? And then we are going to see where is ni put. Okay? Of course, right now you know ni is a suffix. And the third one, we are going to see when is ni used. Suffix ni used. And for the fourth one, you are going to see prepositions that can be used instead of ni. Okay, and why we prefer using ni. We prefer using ni because ni is simpler than other prepositions, remembering other prepositions. Okay, so that is what we are going to cover in this video. So what is ni? As I have told you, ni is a prepositional locative suffix. Prepositional because when we have ni, it shows a preposition, and locative because it shows the place, or the, let me say the place, not the direction, the place. For example, the example that I have used in the beginning, I said nyumbani. Okay, nyumbani shows at home or at the house. So at is the preposition. When you say shuleni, it shows at school. At is the preposition. Okay, at is the preposition. So that's why ni is a prepositional locative suffix. Where is ni put? So we have just talked about it. Ni is a suffix. A suffix is put at the end of the word. Okay, so shule becomes shuleni. Nyumba becomes nyumbani. Okay, nyumba nyumbani, shule shuleni, kazi kazini. And kindly note that ni is always put there without any change of things. Things might change only if maybe the noun is how is it called, irregular, or something irregular is happening. But when ni is placed, nothing usually changes. As you can see, you have shuleni, you have nyumbani, kazini. Yeah, we can even say masomoni from the word masomo. Masomo are studies. So when you say masomoni, it means in studies. For example, if I say masomoni mwangu, in my studies. Okay? Ready?
Fine.
So when you put ni, it automatically changes the noun to be prepositional. Like, it becomes a noun plus a preposition. Of course, there are some ways where you can form a prepositional noun, a prepositional verb, sorry, in Swahili. But when you add ni, it doesn't make it a prepositional noun. Okay? Sorry for telling you about a prepositional noun. So, if you want to know more on how to form a prepositional verb, okay, at the end of this video, prepositional. At the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a video that can help you in knowing that, where I have explained on forming prepositional verbs and what are prepositional verbs in Swahili. So, when is ni used? It is used in places where a preposition that shows a location is required. One of the prepositions that is used instead of ni includes kwa. So, ni is usually used where a locational preposition is required, okay? For example, the preposition kwa, and kwa can be interchanged with ni, the preposition. So instead of saying nyumbani, you can say kwa nyumba. Nyumbani kwa nyumba. Shuleni kwa shule. Okay? Darasani kwa darasa. Okay? So ni can be interchanged with kwa. And lastly, okay, that's what I have just said. Which preposition can be used instead of ni? It is kwa. Kwa. For example, there is a sentence here. You can say alienda kwa nyumba. He went to the house. Alienda kwa nyumba. But you can interchange that sentence and make another sentence which will mean the same by saying alienda nyumbani, or alienda kwa shule. You can say alienda shuleni. Alienda kwa kazi, alienda kazini. So kwa and ni are interchangeable, but kwa is not a suffix, nor a prefix, nor an infix. It's a complete preposition, just kwa. And ni is a suffix that is attached to a noun. Okay, I hope you have gotten something from this lesson. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe down below, like, comment down below how this lesson has been, which question you would like to ask, or which questions you have that I can make a video on in Swahili to help you in your Swahili journey. Don't forget to like and share it with your friend, okay? Thank you so much again. If you want to support me financially, there is a link down below for buy me a coffee. You can buy me a coffee starting from any amount that you have. Thank you so much in advance. If you buy me a coffee, I will really appreciate. For anything that you are doing, I really appreciate. Thank you for watching this video, and we are going to see each other in the next video. By the way, if you want to know about the prepositional verbs, how to form prepositional verbs, go watch this video that is suggested here on your screen. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in the next video. Kwaheri.